Hello, everybody. Yeah, so we've got the two front pillars in place with the I-beam across. It's pretty simple. We're just using regular center blocks. We dug a couple of holes about a foot in the ground to make sure those center blocks they stay in place, and of course sandwiched wood between each layer. Otherwise the weight of the boat could just crush the center blocks. And then another pillar set right in the middle under the boat with just simply a 20 ton bottle jack. Oh boy, I have a hard time with this microphone. So anyhow, yeah, so everything seems to be working. We lifted the boat in the front by about an inch just to see how everything works, how the I-beam is holding up, how the pillars are holding up too, making sure they don't shift, because if they shift now, well, the boat still rests on the regular boat stands, so it wouldn't be that dramatic if the pillars would break right now. So this is basically just a test. We're going to let it sit overnight, full pressure on it. So yeah, actually the front of the boat actually fully rests now on that front I-beam. So there's actually no more pressure on those 4 blocks in the front of the keel. Technically, I could just pull them out. It's very simple. We'll just simply use one bottle jack. We'll go lift it on the front, maybe half a foot or so, and then eventually move to the back. And just lift the front and the back separately. We haven't set the back pillars yet. We just started the front pillars for today. So tomorrow we get back to it and start on the back pillars. By pillar I mean those center blocks with the wood blocks between it. Yeah, a little bit close up on this I-beam. It's pretty sturdy. Does seem to be supporting the weight of the boat with no problem. And hopefully it keeps going like that, and we should get it up and on the trailer pretty soon. Thank you for watching.